And this is where all the magic happens, the results of your operations. Up at the top, you'll notice a couple key performance indicator KPI cards that will light up green, yellow, red, depending on how favorable or unfavorable that metric is, direction, trending of your own operations, also comparison to the ATRI averages that are part of the input screen that you update. The tool will provide insights into your risk and opportunity intelligence. Again, this will be green, yellow, red, depending on good, neutral, unfavorable. The donut charts in the middle of the screen provide a quick breakdown of your fixed and variable costs along with fuel. There are 4 buttons right above the donut charts that allow you to select which time frame you want to look at. The last 3 months, the last 6 months, the current year, or all history. The donuts will show by default the current month. So any month you are actively in, you will always see that. The history will give you the prior information based on the time frame that you selected. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice the cost per mile monthly trend. This is a line chart that shows the time frame. And again, this is going to be based on the amount of history that you've input into the tool. If you select the history range buttons up at the top, that will also restrict the view for the line chart at the bottom. So if you have 3, 4 years of history you put into the tool, that will all be visualized within the line chart on the bottom as well. The line chart does have some functionality if you want to add your fuel cost per mile, your driver cost per mile, and your maintenance cost per mile, in addition to your total cost per mile average. That is simply click of the button. If you want to reset the view, that'll bring it back to your standard CPM view. I'm Donald Laverne. Thank you for watching. Keep on trucking and go make some money out there.